Lexus NX300 engine 2.0cc, how to change the transmission fluid WS of this car, how to install the transmission fluid, and how to check the transmission fluid level. Please watch the full video, step by step. Heartiest greetings and congratulations to you from SCS Automotive channel. I will get under the car to open and remove the transmission fluid. To remove the transmission fluid, first unscrew the transmission oil pan drain bolt. After opening the drain bolt screw, the transmission fluid comes out. But the complete fluid does not come out because after opening the drain bolt screw, there is a hex bolt screw inside the drain. To completely drain the transmission fluid, the hex bolt screw must be opened. I will use a 6mm Allen key to open the hex bolt screw. Now I will use the Allen key to unscrew the hex bolt and take it out. After unscrewing the hex bolt, the transmission fluid inside the gearbox comes out. The reason for making the hex bolt screw is to check the transmission fluid level of this car. After completely draining the transmission fluid from the gearbox oil pan, I will now reinstall the hex bolt screws. After completing the installation of the hex bolt screw, now I will remove the fill bolt screw to install the transmission fluid. Look, inside the fill bolt screw, it says to install the transmission fluid WS. I will use a 24mm box socket to open the fill bolt screw. I removed the fill bolt screw. I will install automatic transmission fluid by draining the fill bolt screw. This car is designed to use automatic transmission fluid WS, which is written on the fill bolt screw, WS. Now I will install this Toyota automatic transmission fluid WS. I am installing the transmission fluid WS. And if you see the automatic transmission fluid rolling down the drain bolt screw drain, then stop installing. If you see transmission fluid coming out of the bottom like this, stop installing and screw in the drain bolt. Now I will enter the car. First turn the ignition key switch to the on position, wait a few seconds, and then start the car engine. After starting the car engine, I will now change the gear shift of the car every 5 seconds after changing all the gears. I will change the gear shift from parking position to reverse position. From reverse position to natural position, and from natural position to drive position. From drive position to natural position. Keep the gear shift in the N position to check the automatic transmission fluid level. Now I'll go outside from inside the car and check the transmission fluid level. I unscrewed the drain bolt to check the transmission fluid level. The transmission level is correct, so transmission fluid is coming out after opening the drain bolt screw. I screwed the drain bolt and closed it. If you start the engine and shift the gear to the N position, and no transmission fluid comes out after unscrewing the drain bolt, then the transmission fluid level is low. You should install more transmission fluid. If the transmission fluid comes out through the drain bolt screw, the fluid level is correct, and stop installing the fluid. Install the drain bolt screw. Thank you very much for watching the video. If you have any problems understanding anything, please comment.